Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys some of the entries that I've received so far. I've gotten 3 entries and I'm super excited, you guys. Just looking at your work, it excites me so much. And if you guys don't know what I'm talking about and you're coming to this video like, what entries I have, I'm currently hosting a magical giveaway challenge, and I'll have the video link down below so you guys can go check it out. What you have to send in is basically a memory dex card and a handmade card, whether it's unicorn theme or mermaid theme, your choice. And you would have to email me or DM me on my Instagram for where to send your entry. But let's get on with the video and show you guys the very first entry that I received. This is what the memory dex card looks like, and this is from, hold on one second, this one came from Patty and Natalia, and they are on Instagram, Mommy and Me Crafts, and I'm going to post their Instagram down below so you guys can definitely check them out. Sent me this cute little card with this little tassel. I love the stamping, colored it in. This cute little postcard where she wrote me a little note, super cute. And these are her entries. So this right here is her memory dex card, and it is super adorable. She stamped "Hi there, friend." I love it, so cute. I love how she packaged it up. And then she has it inside here, and in here she has her information. I won't be showing anybody's info. That is for me. But look, you guys, how cute is the unicorn? I love how she colored it in. So fun. Loving the purple. And then she did like a matching card. It says "Hi there, friends," and all the super cute unicorns. Isn't that adorable, you guys? I love it. She did a bunch of stitching. Let me see if I can open this up. And I think she also handmade the envelope. Yeah, I think she did. She made the envelope. And then this is her card. And it's like dimensional. She propped it up on foam. I think she also put like a gloss over it. It looks so cool and shiny. She did the little tearing of the paper, the stitching. You guys see how cute that is? And then it says, "Hope today is all rainbows and unicorns." I love that. That is so cute. So that, you guys, is my very first entry. Thank you for the little extra goodies. My next entry is from Andrea, and she is her YouTube, I'm gonna have it linked down below. On Instagram, she is It's All About the Face 72. She sent me her cute little business card, and this is her entry. She chose mermaid, and this is what her handmade card looks like. It says "Mermaid Kisses and Starfish Wishes," and it's like this royal blue. And then this is what the inside of the card looks like. She used that Michael's collection. I have this paper pad. She also made her own envelope, which is super cute. I love it. I love how it goes together like a cute little kit. It looks store-bought. And then, you guys, here is her memory dex card. It says "Make Magic." She did a bunch of layering. This cute little mermaid on top. It looks adorable. And this is like the little mermaid effect in the back. So what I'll do is I'm gonna attach her card back here to have her info on the back. But yeah, you guys, this is entry number 2. Thank you so much, Andrea, for joining my giveaway. And then the last entry of the day was sent in this cute little envelope right here. She put me a little note in here, and let me see. How cute is this little card she sent me? And then it's like she saved it like this and put the note inside so I can keep the card. So cute. And this is what her entry looks like. I'm gonna open it up real quick. She sent me this cute little clip with sequins. And this one is from Xiomara Rivera 92 on Instagram. And you guys, look at her memory decks card. Isn't this adorable? She did a little shaker. She also used the Michaels paper pad, some cute embellishing. It says hello friend. She put a little flower on the unicorn. Super adorable. And then her card, you guys, is so cute. She did tons of layering. I think she also did some stamping and the coloring. This is for the packaging. She did her little envelope, and look at the card, you guys. Isn't that adorable? And it opens up this way. Super fun. It says dream. I love the layers. Super cute. So yeah, you guys, those are entries 1, 2, and 3. Thank you so much, ladies, for joining my magical giveaway challenge. I wish you guys so much luck. And yeah, you guys, I'll be posting videos as I get them. I'm going to be doing 3 in a row. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up. I'll have the link down below for the giveaway. Go enter if you haven't, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.